Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drain hose bushing on your LG washer, you will need a putty knife, a T20 security torque bit, and a drill driver. Pull the washer away from the wall. Remove the hose from the drain. Using the torque bit, unthread the screw, freeing the retaining clip. Free the hose from the retaining clips. Using the putty knife, pry the drain hose bushing out of the washer from the top. Slide the bushing from the hose. To install the new drain hose bushing, slide the hose through the bushing. Set the lip of the bushing and then snap into place. Snap the drain hose into the retaining clips. Rethread the screw in the retaining clip. Set the drain hose back into the drain pipe. Push the washer back into place. And your washer should be ready for use.